Hi everybody. So before we start with the entire vlog, I just have a little request to you guys, that is, watch this video till the end because there is a little something for you guys. Yeah, so there's a little offer for you guys in the end I have kept, so do not forget to check it out. Okay, so let's begin with the vlog and that's it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Quirky Koel. So okay, before that, yeah, so welcome back to my channel Quirky Koel. So today I'm back with a vlog and it's a like self-pampering kind of vlog. So yeah, today me and my mom are going to a parlor for some hair treatment and let's see what all we can do. So we have just planned a day out together and are you excited for it?
Yes.
Yeah, so before we start the vlog, please subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it with your friends, family, whomsoever you know in this world. And yeah, let's begin the vlog. And as you can see, we are already in the car and we have just started. So yeah, let's get started. We'll go to a salon and I'll just let you know in a while which salon it is, and so I'll just give you the details later on in the vlog, dheere dheere karke. So let's just begin with the vlog and see how the day goes. Yay! So let's get started. Also, we are out after a long time. তাই না মা?
হ্যাঁ,
কতদিন পরে বেরিয়েছি and
একদম তাই, অনেক দিন পর বেরোলাম।
হ্যাঁ, of course with protection and mask, sanitizer use করে. So yeah, let's just go. This is our Galaxy Mall and we just got our thermal inspection done and hand sanitizer was been given. So we'll just head towards the salon now. Let's go. So we are here and head turner is right over here. I guess they're waiting for us. Yeah. Hi Megha. How are you? So yeah, this is the head turners salon in Galaxy Mall, that's in our Asansol. So and this is Megha. Would you like to say something?
Yeah, this is our professional hair salon, hair turner, L'Oreal branch.
Okay.
We welcome Koel.
Thank you so
much. Guest today. So just come in.
Yeah, thank you so much. So yeah, let's just go and see what all measures they're taking. First, my thermal check is being done and hand sanitization. After that, my mother also got her thermal check done. Hand sanitization is being done. Now this is the complete body sanitization, both front and back. Now let's see the salon tour.
Head turners, Asansol branch.
Yeah.
Here is the entrance and here is the L'Oreal product stands. Come inside.
Sure.
And here
all our staff.
Okay.
all the staff
Our
is
helping
available.
hands.
Okay. You guys are doing a great job, I must say, in this pandemic time, Very nice. So this is the complete, that's my mom. And this is the complete salon.
Hello guys, I am Megha and now Koel is in his head turner Asansol branch and brought her mother for treatment. So how first we are doing our skin service, I will explain you. First we are using totally all disposable items. In this we have one disposable mask that I will give her to wear, one gown and the towel and tissue paper what we will use in the procedure of facial. First, any client when they are coming in our salon, what their requirement, what their skin needs, I am checking that. I can't give any service without any checking the skin of her. So here some instruments I have. This is our. So first ওনার আমি দেখছি স্কিনটা with open eyes. I have sanitized my hand, so I am going to touch the skin. I'm seeing it is heat or not. Yeah, it's heating. So I am very much clear that what her skin demands. Now I will use some tools. My pH balance machine. This is now 0. I will show you. See, this is 0. In her skin, how much is moisture level and water level?
Alright.
We will see from this. See guys, here 33.6 it's coming. This is moisture level and 15. This is oil level. Much less in our line. In her age, she has reduced lots of.
Like, what is the general level that we need to check for?
Yeah, 40 to 45.
40 to 45 for?
Oil also and moisturizer.
Oh, okay.
So this is clear.
What is this machine you're using?
Yeah, this is wood lamp, and in this we will see clear visibility of the skin. You come and see pigmentation. Okay, how much these pigmentations are there?
Okay.
Very clearly I can see open pores. Under eyes you see open pores. Skin is shrinking.
Correct.
Wrinkle. Okay. In open eyes we can't see this one, but with this machine we are seeing. Probably third layer of the damage. ওর থেকে নিচে যায়নি।
Okay.
এখান থেকে আমি নাকি রিকভার করতে পারি, চান্সেস আছে, তো আমি ওনার স্কিনটা রিকভার করতে পারি। আর ফর ডাটা অনেক ক্লায়েন্ট আছে তো, বাট আমার কাজ হচ্ছে একটা ডাটা রাখা। This is my file, you can see guys.
Okay, that's huge. Like, you have record
how
of
many skin tests I
yeah.
have done and how many clients are satisfied.
Yeah.
This is our achievement and my satisfaction level also. I'm going to use one prescription.
Okay.
In this I will fill all the
Okay.
detail and what is the lack of things I will write here. Then I will do the procedure. Then I will suggest some creams. And after that, 1 month when she will come, again I will check, and both differences she will also see, I will also see. So we are just not saying, we are doing and we are proving it.
So my mom is ready for the service, and this is the apron that she's wearing, and this is disposable bed sheet. So these are the things that are going to be used for her facial treatment. So Megha will just explain what all things are here.
Yeah, we have checked her skin. So little bit anti-aging skin. I have seen some problems of sensitivity also. I will start with cleanser. This is our cleanser. After that, charcoal scrubbing and oatmeal scrubbing mixture, toners, and then we will use our anti-aging cream with serum, the shimmer mask and tightening mask we are giving. We will use 2 instruments also here about tightening skin for skin tight, and some pigmentation I am seeing in her skin that will also work with our machines only.
She's sanitizing her hand very carefully, and as we all know, beauty salon, these things cannot work without touching and feeling the skin. So we'll just give some time to my mom. She's going to relax a bit and have a good time, self-care time. So meet you in the next segment. So we'll just get to know what all the charges and discounts or offers mainly is going on in this period right now. Let's just get to know all the offers and discounts quickly.
Right now we are running many offers in hair and beauty both. Every hair spa 25% off. Second offer is in colors. L'Oreal color, professional color. Right now we are running special offer 1600 plus GST, any length hair color, any color.
Alright. So what's the offer period? Like কতদিন অবধি এটা চলছে?
আমরা চেষ্টা করব এই অফারটা এই আগস্ট মান্থে কন্টিনিউ করতে, বাট বেসিক্যালি দিস ইজ রেকমেন্ডেড টিল 15th আগস্ট, বাট উই উইল ট্রাই টু এক্সটেন্ড ইট টিল 31st আগস্ট। থার্ড অফার যেটা আপনাকে জানিয়ে দিচ্ছি, এটা হচ্ছে স্মুথিং এন্ড ক্যারাটিন। স্ট্রেটনিং হলো একটা লুক চেঞ্জ করা লুক। রাইট নাও উই আর রানিং অফার্স 3500 plus GST any length. Side by side we are running keratin offer is also price also the same 3500 plus GST.
Okay.
Apart from the hair, we also having
Facials,
facials
there's
and
offer.
beauty
Okay.
also.
Okay. Let the viewers know about it too.
Facial starts from near about 1400 till 4500. And right now we are providing 3500 flat off in all facials. And here all the safety and precautions are taken according to the guidelines of the salon safety. And we will hope the clients come and enjoy our service.
Absolutely. So she is sanitizing the whole chair where the client was actually sitting. So as you can see, this was been sanitized, and I'll just now take my seat for the service. So yeah, let's just begin. He's checking the texture of my hair, which is, I know, very frizzy.
फर्स्ट मैं आपको एक ऑरल हेयर स्पा करूँगा,
Okay.
ठीक है, जिसमें आपको मसाज मिल जाएंगे,
Okay.
स्टीम मिल जाएगा, ठीक है। फिर दिन में एक हेयर कट करूँगा,
Okay.
जिसमें फुल लेयर्स होंगे।
So first I'm going to have my hair spa, like as in the shampooing and stuff. So let's just begin with that. So they will be using the L'Oreal Hair Spa Purifying Shampoo to clean my hair and scalp. Now my hair spa is being done, and after which I'm getting a relaxing head massage. Now I'm getting a hair steaming, which will help open up the hair follicles and pores on my scalp. Okay, so I just had my hair spa and now it's been getting washed. This is the cutting sheet, and this is also disposable, like one-time use. It's only for me, and then it will be disposed of. Now some hair serum is being applied to my hair just to untangle the hair. That's it. And here starts the haircut, which I am the most excited about. He is blow drying my hair and setting it beautifully, and I'm just loving the results. Here we are just trying out some hairstyles, and he's just letting me know which looks would suit me. So yeah, and look at my hair, it feels so good, and look at the volume and the shine. Oh my god, I'm just loving it. So he didn't only cut my hair, but he also gave me tips of how to maintain it and do, you know, creative styles at home. So that's really great.
Thank you.
So this is my final look, and I am really loving it. Also, it's such a versatile haircut that I can, you know, innovate it in my own style after going home. So basically, yeah, we cannot come to salon every day, but we can maintain it at our home. So thank you to everyone over here, those who gave me the services. It was really great. Okay, so I just had my haircut, and as you saw, my mother also had some treatment. So now she'll be giving the feedback of how was her experience in this head tunnel. So let's just check it. So yeah, মা বলো কিরকম লাগলো তোমার পুরো সার্ভিস?
4 মাস লকডাউনের পরে আজকে এখানে আসবো বলে একটু এক্সাইটেড ছিল। তারপরে তো এরা এলাম, এখানে আসার স্যানিটাইজার ফুটে করে আমাদের তো ভেতরে আমরা ইন করলাম। তারপর যখন ফেশিয়ালটা করা হলো, তার সাথে অ্যারোমা থেরাপি উইথ মাসাজ দিয়ে এতটাই মানে রিল্যাক্সড লাগছিল,
রিফ্রেশিং ছিল, অনেকটাই
রিফ্রেশিং ছিল। তারপর হওয়ার পরে, কমপ্লিট হওয়ার পরে আমি নিজের স্কিনকে নিজেই আমি চিনতে পারছিলাম না। খুবই কমফোর্টেবল।
মানে আপনি টোটালি স্যাটিসফাইড আমাদের সার্ভিসটা নিয়ে? মেন ওটাই হচ্ছে।
আর তাছাড়া আমি আরো একটা কথা বলতে চাই যে এদের যে স্টাফরা রয়েছে, এদের সার্ভিস এবং বিহেভিয়ার এতটাই ভালো এবং আমাদেরকে এতটাই মুগ্ধ করেছে যে আমি শুধু আমি না, আপনারাও একবার কেন বারবার এখানে আসবেন, আসতে চাইবেন।
থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ।
So I have completed my services. That is, mine was hair and my mother's were some skin service. So yeah, we just completed it, and I am so satisfied. In fact, we are so satisfied with the whole work, whole service that they have provided us, of the hair, of the skin checkup, and every minute details that they had been telling. What I have noticed basically is they are so dedicated towards their work. They are so passionate, because they haven't only gave me haircut, but also they had been giving me tips of how to maintain it, how to make the hairstyles at home. Because yeah, it's not possible to come in salon every time. So yeah, their services were really nice. I would really recommend you guys to please come and visit the Asansol branch of Head Turners, which is in Galaxy Mall, 3rd floor. So please come and visit this place. Do just have a pamper session of your own, and I promise you will be feeling really great, as every staff right here, they're really very friendly. So yeah, please come visit this place and have your own pamper session. So do not forget that it's in Galaxy Mall, Asansol. There are more branches around, so I'll be linking all the details in the description box below. So please go check the description box out and contact them. Have your own session. Just feel great. So that's it for the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you enjoyed it, you know the drill. Just go like, share and subscribe to my channel, Quirky Koel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Toodles. Okay, so thank you so much for watching till here, and if you have watched till here, I know you are somewhere waiting for the offer, right? So let me just disclose it now. That is, if you are from Asansol and you go there and take my name, that by watching Quirky Koel's video or Koel's Instagram stories, and after which I'm visiting this salon, so then you're gonna get a good discount. So for females, you're gonna get your haircut done at only rupees 300, including GST and disposables. And for guys, you're gonna get a haircut done in 235 rupees. So isn't it amazing? Yes, including GST and disposables. So go have a visit in Head Turner Salon in Galaxy Mall, 3rd floor, Asansol. Isn't that a great discount? So it's available only till end of August, and it's also including all the GST and disposables. So you go there and have your little pampering session and enjoy your self-care. Do not forget to go there and refer to my name. Either you can take Koel or you can just tell them Quirky Koel, so anything, but do not forget to tell them. And if you are not from Asansol, if you know someone, relative or friends, anyone, just refer to them to my video and my offer. Share it to them and let them know, so that they can also enjoy their pampering session in the salon. Moreover, you have seen in my entire vlog how nicely they're maintaining all the safety measures for their each and every client, whoever is visiting them. So it's definitely worth a visit. So go enjoy your time there. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Toodles.